In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page turn effect in Canva. We're going to walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to create a smooth, realistic page flip animation you can use in videos, presentations, and social media posts. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose a video format, like a standard landscape video, or a custom size that fits your project. Using a video canvas is important because the page turn effect works best as an animation rather than a static image. Next, add the content you want on your pages. Think of each page as a separate design or frame. You can either create multiple pages within the same Canva project or prepare individual designs that you'll later animate. Make sure your layout, fonts, and colors are consistent from page to page so the flip feels natural and professional. Take a moment to align your elements and keep important text away from the very edge where the page will appear to turn. Now, it is time to create the page turn illusion. Go to the Elements tab and search for terms like page curl, page turn, or page flip. Canva often provides animated graphics, such as a corner that peels back or a full page flipping motion. Choose one that matches the style you are going for and drag it onto your canvas. Resize and position this page turn element so that it sits on the corner of your page, usually the bottom right or top right. Adjust the angle if needed so it looks like it is actually pulling the page over. This alignment is key to selling the effect, so zoom in and take your time lining it up. With the page turn element in place, adjust the timing. Select the animated element and look for the animation or timing options. You can shorten or lengthen the duration so the page turns quickly for a snappy feel, or more slowly for a dramatic storybook look. Aim for a pace that matches your overall video style. If you are flipping between multiple pages, duplicate your design and update the content on each new page, keeping the page turn animation consistent from slide to slide. This creates a smooth, continuous flipping sequence. When you are happy with everything, preview your design to make sure the motion feels natural, then export it as a video. And that is how you create a clean, eye-catching page turn effect in Canva.